Alright guys, so we just got to, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, so we just got to Maaselkern, or however you say it, sorry. We're at the train station right now. It actually looks really cool. Very sunny. I just put on my sunblock, so you guys can see me. So I just looked at the map. It was kind of hard to read, but we're just gonna start walking and the castle can't be far. I saw online like 30 minutes, so let's try walking this way. And there's there's actually some signs over there. We'll go look at those first, but it's a beautiful place. Right on the Mosel River, which runs right off of the Rhine. So I'm on my way to the castle. It's a decent walk. It's definitely pretty warm out, but it's not too bad. It's pretty much flat roads. So I just passed this really cool, you can see it behind me. It looks like a little abandoned factory or something. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but on the way back, if I still have the energy, I'll definitely try to check it out. It'll be pretty cool. But now that I'm by myself, it's just a little bit riskier, but I think I will. "45 minutes. I thought I was almost there.
wieder so richtig komplett.
No good. Look at that one.
If it works too, but
In der Buchstadt, der hat noch keinen Geld, was für die Wohnung bleibt. Schöne Glücke, schöne
Also die nächste englische ist in 20 Minuten ungefähr. Wollen Sie zuerst in die Schatzkammer gehen jetzt?
Now I can't able to do that.
Hey guys, so we're here. We made it to the castle, Burg Eltz. It was the #1 thing I wanted to do here in Germany. I'm so excited. It was definitely worth that hike up, which actually wasn't that bad. The first half was on the roads and then the second half was through the woods, but it was kind of peaceful. I think I'm just going to go back the same way. We're here, we explored the castle. It was everything I'd hoped it would be. Obviously, you know, I'd like to explore more of the castle, but they showed us what they could, and I appreciate that.
Oder ein Kasten Cola Light.
Oder alleine.
Zero.
Allein.
So I had an amazing time at Burg Eltz. That's like the #1 castle I wanted to go to, and I got to go to it, and it was just amazing. So now I'm on the hike back. Half of it's through the woods, and then the last half is through some roads to the little town. I'm gonna check out that abandoned building, see what's going on there, maybe give you guys a little peek. I'm heading back to the train station. I gotta figure out what time the train leaves to go back to Koblenz, because that's where my suitcase is. So then I'm gonna pick that up and then figure out which place I'm going to next. I think Frankfurt, but I do just want to look up, see if there's anything else before then to make like a one-night stop at. But I'll probably just end up going to Frankfurt. I'm definitely gonna spend 2 nights, but maybe a third if there's a bunch of things to do, or if I want to do like a day trip from Frankfurt. I saw this little like rocky beach area on the hike back, so I just pulled over for a minute to empty my shoes, and I sat down, and it's just so peaceful. I could fall asleep right here.
Geht. Soll ich mal kreuzen? Es wird 21:26. Anscheinend ist mal 9 Uhr endlich. Ich weiß nicht, wann wir mal ankommen. Ich habe jetzt keinen Plan.
Today I'm here in Frankfurt.